In this video, we will learn how to use the LG Channels application on an LG TV. If your LG TV model supports LG Channels, you will see the LG Channels application icon on the home screen. This is an internet-based application, so you must first connect your TV to the internet. To do this, go to Settings and click on the Wi-Fi icon. You will then see the internet connection settings. Select Wi-Fi connections, choose your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and connect. Once connected, go back to the home screen and open the LG Channels application. It will automatically start playing channels. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the channel name, and on the left side, you will find category icons such as Live, Home, News, Music, Entertainment, and Kids. You can choose a category as per your preference. For example, if you click on News, you will see the available news channels. Select any channel to play it. The loading time may vary depending on your internet speed and the channel server. To watch music channels, simply select the music category. You can also change channels using the up and down arrow buttons on your remote. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the guide button. Clicking on this opens the guide, where the left side shows categories and the right side shows the channel timeline, which details programs and their schedule. You can add channels to your favorite list in two ways. The first way is while watching a channel. Press OK on the remote, then at the bottom, select the favorite button. Choose any favorite list. Click OK and confirm by pressing Yes on the pop-up. The channel will then be added to your favorite list. The second way is through the My Stuff option. Go to My Stuff, click on the settings icon at the top right, and select Favorite Channels Manager. Press OK and then click Yes. Next, choose Edit Favorites. From the All Programs list, select Channels and press the right arrow button to add them to your favorite list. If you want to create another favorite list, click the drop-down button, select a new list, choose Channels, and press the right arrow button. A second favorite list will then be created. You can also rename a favorite list by selecting Change Group Name, typing a new name, and pressing Enter. Channels can also be sorted numerically by selecting Sort by Program and confirming with Yes on the pop-up. If you wish to remove channels from a favorite list, select the channel and press the left arrow button, or use the Move button on the bottom right. To save your favorite channel settings, close the LG Channels app, return to the home screen, and press the back button on your remote. Clear all recent apps and then reopen the LG Channels application. Go to My Stuff and you will now see your favorite channels list. Now we have learned how to use the LG Channels application on an LG TV.